Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is who is your life partner going to be, or what is their traits, their cuts, their face, their habits. Yes, how they are dealing with the other person. That's your reading for today, and there I have clarifiers for these cards, and these two piles I have there. One is pink origami, I think, something, and the other is yellow flower. Which file you are most attracted to, choose that. And I am going towards my pile number 1. Those who choose pile number 1 and the pink origami, your reading is they think so much. They think about something and think so much about anything, whichever the situation is, and they are a little bit stubborn, because when they want something, they want that they get it. They want to get it, and don't see the other thing that is coming towards them, or that is available for them. They are not the kind of man like that person. Always whatever they want to get it. Yes. Okay. And I want to clarify for it. Why it is 5 of Cups. Yes, something happened to them, and it's not a good thing for them, and that's why they are weeping about that thing. Maybe some person or job or anything, they want that thing, and that thing is not good for them, or not they can't get that. That's why they are not happy at that time. Page of Cups. They are leaving. Someone left them. That's why they are very sad at this time, and they are not looking towards the other opportunity they have. Yes, that's what I am getting from this situation. These cards. I think they love someone, and the other person left them. That's why they are so sad, so worried, so tensed, and they are weeping about that situation, and not looking over other persons, you or other persons that are for them, there for them. That's who are there for them, and they are covered by their own thinkings, their own feelings. Yes, they are prison in their own thinkings. Yes, but someone from their past is coming towards them. Yes, I want to clarify it. 8 of Cups, Page of Cups. Okay, there is a Page of Cups, and they love someone. They want to give their heart, their love to someone, but the situation not going according to their thinking, as they expect from this situation. It's not going to like that, and they are not. They are now very sad, and someone from their past, in their past, had left them. Yes, and that person is not good for them. Definitely, this Knight of Wands is telling us about that that person is not good for them. It's good that they left them, or otherwise they will do something bad to that person, your life partner. Okay, and Ace of Cups. Someone is thinking uh, or maybe the universe giving them love, a love from someone. Yes, or and they are not thinking about it, they are not seeing it, they are very much indulged in their own thinkings, in their mind, they are still in that condition. Six of Cups, one again. Some person, they want to give them this Ace of Cup, this cup, to whom that person is left them, they left them. Okay, and they're still thinking about them, they are in they are still in their memories, they want to live in that time. Justice, some change going to be happen, some good change is going to be happen. You have to be patient, they have to be patient and patience, and this situation is going towards the other direction. Something is changed in their, something is changing in their mind, because everyone, every person think about somebody at till a little time, not forever. When time goes, their feelings also goes for them. Okay, the next card is they are once again they are stubborn, they are thinking about them, they don't want to forget them, they don't want to leave them, they want them to back in their life. And we have to want to clarify it. The Moon, yes, this is what hiding in their mind. Yes, they love someone and they want them back in their life. They are the person who never forget about something, they always think about it. I think you are in love with them, and you know them, and they love someone else, and you know that, but you still want them. But there is one more condition, that when someone not love you na, then you will never be happy with them, you will never be happy with them if they don't love you, they love someone else, they always thinking about them, and they never think about you. And when you are with in relationship with them, they still thinking about that other person, and you are you don't feel well when you know that they are with you and still thinking about someone else. This is not a good condition, and you are not happy in this condition also. Yes, express your love, you have to express your love with them. Maybe they are going to be changed, because there is Justice card, the justice going to be happen, and they are going to be changed. This is also some change going to be happen. Okay, and that's why maybe they are they will come towards you in future. If you express them your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Yes, spend some time with them, tell them that how you are feeling about them, get them from that situation, get them out from this situation, that thinking. Maybe they can change their mind. Okay, harmless, they are harmless, they are not harmful, they are not toxic, they are not dangerous, they are harmless, they are innocent. uh, uh, Someone did something bad to them, but they are not the bad person, they themselves are a good person. You have to change them for their good, for your own good, for um, yes. But if they still thinking about the previous person, that it will did you it will not give you the life you want with them. They have to forget them, they have to leave them. Yes, they have to disclose them from their lives. Then when your life is going to be happy. I want to take some more cards for you. there is something unknown is happening with you or with them. Maybe they are coming towards you when you go and tell them that you are thinking about them, and then they are coming towards you, but they are still thinking about them. Where is that card? Yes, I can see here that they are still thinking about them. They have video, they have family video or life video. You both are married, but they are still thinking about them. Yes, some major changes have to be happened. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 is the meaning of 5 number is that some kind of change is coming towards you. Color green. Maybe they are some after your marriage they think for them for a little time. They're thinking about them. Then they are going to be changed with you by your love and by your care. Rings repeat. I think they are always thinking about them, always remember them, but they know that they are in your in a relationship with you. That's why they are not talking about them, not I can, what can I say, that they are good with you. They are dealing good with you, and but they are still in their mind they are thinking about them. 25. Yes, 25 7. Yes, they have some thinkings about them. They remember them, had something in their mind. Emotionally they are with them. Yes, some great change are going to be happen. White color, please join yourself with the spirits, with your higher self, with and pray. However you are going to pray, which religion you are belong to, pray. And black color, something is dying here, something is going to be finished here. Maybe they are finishing their relationship with them and going towards you. That's what I am getting from here. Number 13, also number 13 is the number for death, completion, one's death and one's rebirth. Yeah, that's this number showing that they are stop thinking about them and coming towards you, thinking about you, start family with you. Yes, this is the reading for you. Pile number 1, who has chosen the pink origami. Yes, and now please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of best wishes. Bye. I'm going towards my pile number 2. Sorry guys, I forgot something. There's a reading. This reading is for your soulmate or life partner, and we are talking about their cuts, their face, their personality, and I forgot to tell you about their face cuts or their age or something there about that. And this pile number 1 for you, that they are maybe for some guys that they are old age. You are married, you are in your 40s or 50s or 60s, and you are marrying someone, or they are aged from you. Okay, and if they are she or a girl or female, they have long hairs. Yes, and with fair complexions. Okay, big eyes, blue, maybe green or blue eyes. Yes, and beautiful lips, heart-shaped lips. I want to pull some cards for you, some more cards. Yes, for some of you, their birth date is 6. They are born at the date of 6 or 20 or 13 or maybe 7. You can get it as your situation is, as your life partner is. And some of them names start with P or L. Yes. For some, their complexion is dark skin. They have dark complexions, uh, like dark brown or maybe black, something like that. Dull skin, maybe they are some little bit sick or something, or they have a dull skin. The man, they have also the dark complexion and dark skin. And for some of you, they are from east, from your where you have lived, you are living now. Um, they are east, towards east from them, at that place. Um, if you are living in America, they are from East America. Okay, like this. Okay, big eye. They have big eye. I already told you they have a big eye, and I also think that they have a big blue or green eyes. Okay, they have no sequence teeth. They have up, down, and it's their teeth are not so beautiful or in sequence. They are up, down, like something. Somebody's for they are Leo. For some of you, they are Leo. Short in height. Okay, that's what I got for you. And this is the reading of pile number 1, and this pink origami reading, with lots of wishes. And please share, like, subscribe this reading, and with lots of wishes. Bye. I am going towards my reading number 2. Thank you. For those who have chosen the pile number 2 and the yellow flower pile, your reading is that your person is very hardworking. They are very hardworking. They whatever they are they are doing, they do it with heart, with passion. Yes, they love their work. They love to do something, or maybe they are building a home for you, for their life. Okay. And next, maybe they are this Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus person. I think so, because there is a card of King of Pentacles, and the Pentacles are showing for Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. Okay. And they are a very practical person. They are practical. They are generous. They are yes, they are very practical. They are punctual. They want their things to be at a time, which what time is for that work to do. They want it at time. They want their breakfast at time. They want their clothes at the time, the exact time. Okay, maybe they are they awake early in the morning. They are morning birds. I think so, and they have everything. I think yes. With that King of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles, I can see that they have money, home, love life, everything they have. They have in this situation, but something is not good in this situation. This is a devil card. You can see this is a devil card. It's a deception card, a mask on the face, or some kind of codependency, addiction. Yes, maybe they are alcoholic, or maybe they are addicted to something else. Yes, what I am getting from here. Maybe they are very fighting like person. Yes, they're fighting over something. Maybe they are fighting over their addiction or what else. Yes, this is for one. Or maybe they are fighting over their yeah, their marriage life, or they want to marry you, and that's why they are fighting with someone else. Maybe they are already with someone else. They are married, and now they want you. The devil, once again the devil. They are definitely they are maybe they are restricted, maybe they are addicted to something, and it's also say that yes, they have mask on their face. I think that they have already have a family. From 10 of pentacles, I can see that they have a family with someone else, and they also want you in their to be in their life. That's what they are thinking about. Yes, retreat. They want to go with you, or maybe they love you first, or they marry you first, and then they left you, and then once again they want you back in their life. Yes, they want to go with you in a forest, to leave the world for you, to leave their world for you. They're living for you. It's time to disconnect from the world. Yes, they're disconnecting from the world. Yes, they have desire to have you. They love you, they want you. Yes, you have the card of lady with a boast egg, ancient wisdom. Yes, I think they are telling you that you have to do this, or choose that person, or marry this person. It's up to you. Think, your intuitions are high. You can think properly, think greatly. Whatever your intuitions are telling you, do that. Okay, children. Maybe the children are the fact that in your family life, or they want children with you, to have a children with you, something like that. Or maybe you have their children. If for some of you, if you are previously married them, and then left them, or not left, only just be angry with them, and live with somewhere else, they want you back because of your children. Maybe I think that stag, the stag. Yes, with that stag energy, compassionate towards others and yourself. Those who shine the light so others may find their way home. The stag will shine their light for you to decide what you have to do in this situation. Okay. Need to create peace in your life. Beautiful, strong body, big, beautiful eyes, fast, sexy, walk deeply, act. Okay, sexy walk. Yes, big, beautiful eyes. I already no. Yes, they have the big, beautiful eyes. I am seeing this. Okay, sport, inspiration, love, tenderness, temper with strength in challenges, playmate for our inner child, smile, excitement, connected to her chakra, love your for inspiration, graceful, teach how to be determined, gentle, sure, gentle soul, not hopeless one. Home for defense, leave defensive, leave your safely for experience, protection, non negative, regeneration, renewal, grow back when fall off. Spirit animal talk to do to it. Love and compassion. They are telling you to do it. They are harmless. They are good for you. Okay. Okay. Let go of bad vibes and things, and let grow your life. Leave ego. Establish your relationship. Alter one. Aware of opportunities. Know the value of life. Life lessons. How to survive kindness. Do everything fashionable to pay it forward. Make up your mind, nothing will stop you. Inspiring peacemakers, well cited, can see with little light, can sense danger, see through darkness, show you the right path. Psychic gifts, ancient caretakers of the Mother Earth. Okay. Now I can see with that stag energy and with this Bosch lady of the Bosch act that the God has given you more wisdom, more you are clever, you are a wise person. So you can understand, you can think wisely that what you have to do, what is good for you. You can decide your own will. Okay. Yes. And squirrel, yes, this person is uh, very hardworking. Yes, I already told you that they are a hard worker. And yes, it's called organizers, planners, adaptable, be now serious. They are planners, they are organizers, they are good thinkers. Get ready for any change. Communication, respect to others. Collector, hard worker, work together, honest about your thoughts. Saving, save for rainy days, for yourself. It's not good change, mind a lot. Oh, yes. Whole life in working. Do not easily give up. Great in solving puzzles. What others think different, you take it as a piece of cake. Yes. Storing ability. Request for success. Have fun. Life is filled with work and commitments. Take a rest. Take a rest. Relax. So do not get so serious. Balance life. Learner, confident. It take a while to comfort with someone, but once you take it to higher levels. Manifesto. Yes, this is the good energy. It's make you confident. And when once with you with them, you think that this is a person for you, this is a good person, they are in love with you. Yes, this is a good energy. You have to do it. This is a clear way or safe path. Spirits, join with your spirits. Want help with the spirits, pray for yourself to give you the right path. Okay, join your spirits. Yes, this card is about candy cane angel. It's time for a treat. Yes, this is a time for a treat. If you marry that person, this is not bad for you. They are not bad for you. And what else they have? You will enjoy your life with them. Inshallah, you will enjoy your life with them. Yes. Please connect with your spirits, your God, pray, and think about it. They are good for you. Okay. And what I can see here, for some of you, their eyes are bigger, their short nose with. For some of you, their hair is about red color. Yes, red color. And I think I saw most of green eyes. Some have brown, black, and green eyes. What I am getting from here. Yes, maybe they like purple color most to wear. Okay. And what else? They have money for their all needs. Yes, they are a rich person. Yes, what I am getting from here. Yes, for some of you, they have a black, or if your life partner is a man, they have a beard, black maybe. And some of your person is having a brown hair, some have blonde hair. Yes, Okay. Now I am going to pull some other cards. Yes. What I am getting here, they are wearing the classic style clothes. Yes. Heart-shaped lips. Where I also get the heart-shaped lips. Small teeth, beautiful teeth. And the person is from Pakistan. Maybe some Pakistani person is looking at this reading, and your person is also from Pakistan. Yes, that's what I get from here. Brown, golden, or black hairs. Yes, a little bit dark complexion, and for others they have the fair complexion. Okay, for some of you, a little of you, only 1 or 2%, they have green eyes. For others, they have black and brown eyes. Okay, that's the reading for you for today. I hope you like it. Please share, like, subscribe, and with lots of wishes, good wishes. Bye.